Chapter 14. Hunger and Deficiency Diseases. In this chapter, you will learn about hunger, digestion of food, deficiency diseases. Factoid. Persons afflicted by famine do not have enough food to survive. The doorbell rang and Rihanna opened the door. She saw a poor lady with a small child begging for food. She said, "I am a victim of Bihar flood. It caused severe loss to human life and widespread damage to crops. People of Bihar are starving from hunger. Whenever a flood persists, a large number of population opts for mass migration. Please provide some donation and food for the victims." Rihanna discussed with her mother and offered help to the poor lady. Do you know? The number of the hungry in the world has been in the range of 750 million up to 1 billion. Hunger is an unpleasant feeling caused by the body's need for food. Hunger causes various sensations in the stomach as well as weakness and faintness. The severe hunger pains called stomach cramps are produced by strong contractions of the stomach muscles. Many children and adults around the world suffer from long-term hunger. Often hunger and famine are treated as correlated terms, but the two are different. Famine and hunger both have their roots in food insecurity. Famine is a widespread scarcity of food. This phenomenon can be caused by human activities or it may be natural depending upon its factors, including inflation, crop failure, population imbalance, war, etc. Deficiency diseases. Many people in the world cannot afford a balanced diet due to poverty. Some others do not get a balanced diet because of wrong food habits. People who do not get the right amount of all nutrients from their food suffer from deficiency diseases. The condition arising out of inadequate or unbalanced food is called malnutrition. Deficiency of dietary proteins, carbohydrates, and fats result in protein-energy malnutrition. PM occurs frequently among infants and young children between 1 to 5 years of age. The two forms of PM are kwashiorkor. It is caused by protein deficiency. If the diet of mother is deficient in proteins, the breastfed babies will suffer from protein deficiency. The clinical signs of kwashiorkor are stunted growth, protrusion of belly, edema or swelling of legs and face, sparse, dry and discolored hair, diarrhea, and a flaky appearance of skin. Marasmus. This disease occurs due to the deficiency of both proteins and carbohydrates simultaneously. A child with marasmus has a very low weight according to his age and thin arms and legs with little muscles. The face has an appearance referred to as an old man's face. The child's growth completely stops. The child cannot move due to lack of energy. Deficiency of different vitamins causes different diseases like deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi and pellagra. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Deficiency of various minerals in diet gives rise to different diseases. Deficiency of iron causes anemia and deficiency of iodine causes goiter. Digestion of food. Our body is a wonderful machine and food is the fuel for it. All living beings need food to survive. The food we eat cannot be used by our body directly. Our body takes food in the form of glucose or sugar. Food needs to be broken down into a simpler form to obtain glucose. The process that breaks down the food into a simpler form is called digestion. The system related to digestion is called the digestive system. Human digestive system consists of several organs. All these organs are connected with each other. They break down the food that we eat in order to digest it. The digested food is absorbed by our body organs that provides us energy to work and helps us to live and grow. Digestive system consists of the following organs. Let's understand in more detail. Mouth. The digestion of food starts in mouth. The food we eat first mixes with saliva with the help of tongue. Saliva makes the food soft and easy to swallow. It also contains an enzyme called amylase that breaks starch into sugar. Esophagus. Once you swallow the food, it enters a tube called food pipe or esophagus. Esophagus connects the mouth to our stomach. The food does not just drop into the stomach. The muscles present in the esophagus move inside and out, contracting and pushing the food slowly downwards into the stomach. Stomach. The food from esophagus passes to a muscular bag-like organ known as stomach. The stomach produces a gastric acid that helps in the digestion of food. This acid helps in breaking down the food molecules. Finally, as a thick liquid, the food is pushed into the small intestine. Small intestine. The small intestine is a long and narrow tube. It is about 7 meters long. Here food mixture breaks down even more so that it may get absorbed into the blood and be carried to various parts of the body. The digestion in the small intestine occurs with the help of enzymes that come from 3 other organs: the liver, the pancreas, and the gallbladder. The pancreas gives juices that help in the digestion of fats and proteins. Liver produces a juice called bile that helps to absorb fats into the bloodstream. The gallbladder serves as a storehouse for bile, storing in until the body needs it. Food stays in the small intestine for up to 4 hours, by the end of which most nutrients pass from the intestine into the blood. Large intestine. Large intestine is the last stop of the digestive system. It is about 7 centimeters thick and 1.5 meters long. Here mainly absorption of water from the food takes place. While most nutrients have been removed at the small intestine, the leftover food mixture that cannot be used by our body is thus thrown out of our body as a waste through anus. Limelight. Recurring floods, conflicts, and instability have led to severe food shortage. Many countries have struggled with extreme poverty for decades. Government and community support systems are the only means of support for struggling families. Keywords: famine, extreme scarcity of food. Food insecurity, the state of being without reliable access to a sufficient quantity affordable nutritious food. Amylase, an enzyme found chiefly in saliva and pancreatic